Unlock the full potential of your Canon EOS 2000d and transform your videos from ordinary to extraordinary. First, let's talk about settings. Navigate to your camera's movie shooting menu. You want to prioritize resolution and frame rate for the best quality. Aim for full HD 180p at 60 frames per second. If your lighting conditions allow, this gives you smooth motion and flexibility for slow motion effects. Next, stabilization is key. While the 2000d lacks in-body image stabilization, you can still achieve stable footage. Invest in a tripod or a monopod. Even a small, affordable one can make a huge difference. If shooting handheld, use both hands and keep your elbows tucked in, and always ensure you have adequate lighting. Natural light is your best friend. Exposure is critical. Instead of letting the camera auto-expose, consider using manual mode for video. This gives you complete control over aperture, shutter speed, and ISO. A good rule of thumb for shutter speed is to set it at double your frame rate. So, for 60 frames per second, aim for 1/125th of a second. Adjust your ISO to compensate for lighting, keeping it as low as possible to reduce noise. Finally, don't underestimate the power of lenses. While the kit lens is a good starting point, a fast prime lens, like a 50mm f/18, can dramatically improve low-light performance and create beautiful background blur. These simple adjustments can significantly elevate your footage, turning your amateur videos into professional content. Experiment, practice, and watch your video quality soar.